Welcome, in front of me is Google Pixel 10, and in this video I will show you how to enable remote lock on this smartphone. So first you have to open the list of all applications and go to settings. In settings, scroll down until you reach the security and privacy section, and then once you are here, scroll down to device unlock option, open it, and then scroll down to theft protection features. Scroll down, and in order to enable remote lock, go right here and then switch this toggle to the right. And make sure that you have a SIM card or eSIM installed or set up on your device, because it won't work without a valid SIM card or eSIM. But that's how you enable it. To disable it, just switch this toggle to the left, and then either use a fingerprint sensor or a PIN code to confirm your action. Okay, and that's basically how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.